Hello everyone, this is Phil and welcome back to underKG Show. Today we got Meizu MX3. So this is the latest smartphone from the manufacturer. They've been building these MP3 players and such, and they shifted to the smartphone market, and their phones actually have been pretty good. Let's see what their latest offering has to show. So this is like a booklet kind of packaging. It's quite unique, and taking off the internals is another booklet kind of design. Alrighty, MX3, can't read, and there's a phone. I can read this, and let's put it right here. And it's got a manual reflet kind of thingy. Let's put it there. It's written in Chinese, and micro USB cable right there. It's very neatly put. Amongst all the other boring packagings, this is a very unique and a nice way to put their phones. I like it. Alrighty, so this is the phone. On the top is a receiver with the front-facing camera with a 5.1 inch of an 1800 by 1080 pixels of a display. Let's just set a call full HD. It's not exactly 1920 by 1080, but let's just call it that way. And there's a home key on the bottom. It blinks, and you can swipe it up to use it as a back key and source. We'll get to that in the main review. On the right is pretty clean without any buttons or ports or whatever. On the top is a power key with a 3.5mm headphone jack. On the left is a volume rocker and the, what's this guy? Or whatever that is. And this is an 8-megapixel camera with the LED flash and the microphone for video recording. And the Meizu MX3, the model name, and the speaker grill right there with the speaker, with the micro USB port and the microphone on the bottom for your calling. And the battery cover is detachable for accessing the SIM card slot right there. And there's battery, seemingly replaceable, but it's not. It's built in 2400 milliamps of battery. We'll have to see how much it lasts on the daily uses. We'll get to that in the main review. And that's pretty much it. The main thing about the Meizu devices is not only what is hardware, which is quite impressive because they're one of the first manufacturers that get the latest Exynos processors. It's got an Exynos 5410, that's an octa-core processor for you, and a 2 GB of RAM. And this guy has been known for the first device to offer 128 GB of internal storage. This guy is a 32 GB model, and it doesn't have any micro SD card slot to offer. So when you order yours of the MX3, you have to decide carefully which storage version you want. And it's got a fork Android OS called the Flyme OS. I believe it's 3.0, and it's been praised pretty well on the internet, and we'll have to see. They customize a lot. Since it's a fork OS, it's not only themed, but it's hardcore customized, that to be called with a different name. And the status, everything, Flyme OS 3.3.1. I believe that's based on the Android Jelly Bean 4.2, and we'll have to see if it has any updates or whatnot. Alrighty, so we'll tell you more stories on the review of the MX3. Since this is an unboxing, I'm not gonna offer much of the details. I can't actually. Before you go, there's a tap on here to subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you guys later on the channel for a in-depth review of the MX3. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys later. Bye.